Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to assign members to Trello cards. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Trello board going on and you want members to be assigned to certain cards. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto a card. Next, you're going to click on members. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and search for members and assign them here. So if I click on my name here, you'll see that I've now been assigned to this Trello card right over here. And if you want to go ahead and remove a member, all you've got to do is click on the name and click on remove from card. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and assign members to Trello cards. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.